Acquiring ScripTouch remote licenses on Windows. About ScripTouch Remote and serial numbers. The ScripTouch remote license is tied to the serial number of the signature pad. If you buy your license online, a Scriptel representative will contact you to ask for the serial number. You will need to provide this before the license can be created. If the license was purchased along with a pad, the serial number will be provided internally and the license generated automatically. Method 1. Access via web browser. To use this method, you'll need an account on the Scriptel customer portal. If you don't have an account, you can sign up directly on the portal or contact Scriptel Support for assistance. Visit portal.scriptel.com. Launch your web browser and go to portal.scriptel.com. Log into your account on the portal. If you belong to more than one organization, select the one to work with. If you only have one, it's automatically selected. Navigate to the Licenses tab. Click the Download Licenses button. Store the license file in one of the places listed on the screen. Please note, you may need to create the folder if it doesn't already exist. You have successfully downloaded and installed a ScripTouch license. Method 2. Using ScripTouch Toolbox. For this method, you will need ScripTouch Toolbox installed and an account on the Scriptel customer portal. If you need guidance on installing ScripTouch Toolbox, refer to the installation guide on the wiki page. Begin by opening the ScripTouch Toolbox. Click on Settings and then Online Settings. Enter your Scriptel portal login credentials. Click Check Credentials. Confirm your primary organization details and click Save. Plug in your signature pad if it's not already connected. Under Settings, click Enable Online. In the same settings menu, choose Check for Licenses. You have successfully downloaded a ScripTouch license. If you are having problems with Scriptel products, please contact our customer support by email support@my.scriptel.com, by phone 844-972-7478.